Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today as the world celebrates Mother's Day, I on behalf of all the fathers, the children and grandchildren would like to wish our dear mother around the world a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you for showing us how to love without limits. May God bless you all, and in this video you will find 15 tribes of Nagaland with your beautiful attire dress wishing mothers a very happy Mother's Day and conveying how much we love you. So stay tuned and watch till the end.
Tie de sojano kenise kijipe tenu ujuni kelushawe
uja ni namime tanai pa tizidam anukunong ujala tum ajak tangi ujala tumingin sanum abner sangami nunuk ajak manungi mo ajang ma
azeni welisia azni to zumi to sazazu suna zumi mado kilu gazashne seya
anyo naga to aisa no da anyo si jongban do new sana bu salam ngerida
new nganya da chuje cha na hello ni no new hai atsikyo no go new hai a bemda among ling new hai atsikyo ko wana asa a bem oki
unyu to nang te ken nang ki hayang e alo ni yong asai de nyu ni mong mai chai ne tan
hello kahin ngai lu in kahin lung se ni hin so nin lang dam so nin ta thin phat the na bo jing tai. Happy Mother's Day.
ayo ananin zalala osi ofuye to futhingi ema thofuye mangyan chi salamka
unyu ngai nang ka long wi pam ni bai mong ong ba khum long như to lai ni ki ma
hum long như ngai ne klong ye pam ne hum long như the ka hayao she ge lo ne
iza hinokum zete azaria lokum hewa salyo azaria ve wawan je ge zwa salyo
Kaliwa ija hina dizanda nei nasu aja tsanta hawawi kikini kakal kubila aja mabala trichi bane ani za shabi aja mabala trikya wasa
aza ipikyu ye achikungu no amekshoke izana ko kumtlaw aza zalalo kivipe tapese tlani alhopela no khushitsu benyu
kanya ta de ni ta kina no mere jeo man ha ko tsamoa ja
aba inu ni yola ase do de ni mong atse
apoi inchun raile na anai mi buting bagong klozim ne misig idile naram pawza to le zarangai dale.
Thank you to all the 16 participants for making this video a very beautiful and a meaningful one. Also, a special thanks to my friend Nipchin Konyak for making this video a successful one. May God bless you all. Today, on this day, everyone wants to give a very expensive gift and a valuable gift to our dear mom, but because of the lockdown, I'm pretty sure it might have not been possible. But don't worry, there is always a very priceless and a valuable gift for your mom, which she needs the most, and that is your prayer. So don't forget to spend a time of prayer for your mom. Bless her so that she will be able to celebrate the next Mother's Day with happiness and with good health. Thank you once again for watching this video, and don't forget to share and show it to your mom specially and make her feel how special she is and also how she deserves the world happiness. So thank you, and once again happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.